Good day. I am Benito Lot Ores Jr. Lot, as my friends fondly call me, is a dreamer and achiever, sports enthusiast, music and pet lover, environmentalist, explorer, idealist, public servant, and God-fearing. I am a second-year AB Political Science student of the University of Nueva Cáceres. At a young age, I was involved in various community extension activities. I took active participation in youth forums, conventions, and other youth talks. A self-made man from humble beginnings, I am affiliated with several youth organizations in the province. I am a member of Junior Trainer Circle, Association of Political Science Students, Association of Administrative Scholars, an officer of English Club, and present City Youth Planning Development Officer under the City Youth Officials Program of the City Government of Naga. There is no job so hard that cannot conquer by a willing heart. Sharing strength to attain its goals serves as a metabolism for me to encourage my fellows to assume active participation in steering the nation towards progress, even in our little ways. The social problem we are experiencing in our community are the homeless people who are already residing in the esquinitas and on sites of business establishments and treated the calzada as their home, which I consider the true evidence of poverty. I already have a conversation with the local officials concerned. They said that they will find a relocation to these indigent people, train and equip them with necessary skills in conducting a business, and give educational assistance to their children. If resolved, the community will be likely pleasant and there will be a transformation in the lives of those affected. My motivation to join the camp is my eagerness to know more and learn more and achieve the desired goal and share it to my fellow youth and kababayans. Thank you.